Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to show you the highlights of the Paul and Joe advent calendar. So before I get started, this is probably the cutest advent calendar I have ever seen. It's honestly adorable. So this is the box it comes in. It's got cute cats and flowers all over the front. And when you open it up, which I obviously have already opened mine, the boxes inside are so beautiful. Like each one is just so lovely. I mean, look at them. They're gorgeous. Everyone is perfect. And the reason I wanted to show you them is because I'm actually going to reuse mine to make gift tags for all my gifts this year. But failing that, you could just keep the entire box and fill it up every year if you wanted. So anyway, that is the box and that is what it looks like on the inside. Obviously, it's much better packaged up, but I have already opened mine, which sucks for me because it's only the 5th of December, but it's good for you because you get to see what's inside. So I unboxed the entire advent calendar because, content. So I thought I'd tip it all out and give you a quick run through of basically everything. And I'm going to linger on my favourite bits for a little bit longer, but I'm going to try and make this video nice and short and snappy for you. So first of all, Paul and Joe are a fashion and a beauty brand. And normally this advent calendar is more beauty, but this year we have a lot more fashion and I'm loving that. It feels like such a treat. Notable mentions include this Paul and Joe umbrella, which I think is such a lovely touch. There's also this bag, which I would personally use as a cosmetics bag, but you could actually use as a tiny little handbag. And there's also this one, which again, you could use as a tiny little handbag. And the print on this is so pretty. We also have a really nice pair of Paul and Joe slippers, which are lovely quality and just really soft and pretty. And then technically this is a nail cushion, but I actually think you could put it on a little chair as just a little decorative cushion, like along with some other cushions, like a little nest of cushions. But I thought that was really sweet. And then we have this cute little makeup bag. I love this print. This is a really fun touch. It's a little flannel and I love the design. And then we've also got these stickers, which I thought were really cute too. And then I think that's it for like the kind of fashion and lifestyle items. So let's move on to the makeup now. So we have 2 hand creams and I love these designs. I think they're so pretty. This lip balm is adorable. We have a blusher, which is really pretty. Now this is wild, but they've given us 4 primers. This one, which is full size 30ml. And then these 3, which I think are all 15ml each. And then these are all slightly different primers with SPF and protecting and also illuminating. We've got a cleanser, a hair and body mist, nail oil. Oh, this is really cute. This is a little eyeshadow palette. Let me show you. I think that's really pretty. This is a travel mirror and I actually really like this because it's a nice generous size. And then we've got 2 lipsticks, a cat one on the left, which is more just to hydrate. And then this one, which is a really pretty pink colour. And then we have this spare lipstick case, which has the iconic cat on. And there's no lipstick in this one, but you can take a bullet out of one of the other ones and put it inside. Because most of the Paul and Joe lipsticks are refillable. So I thought that was a really cute touch. And I think that's the entire content. So yeah, I managed to whiz through that very quickly. But I just really wanted to show it to you because even though I'm doing a day by day unboxing, I just really wanted to show it to you in its entirety so that you can see it. I'm not sure if it's available to buy anymore. It might have sold out. But either way, I wanted to show it to you and I hope you like it as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.